Today I'm going to share with you the recipe for these delicious honey lemon pepper wings. This recipe could not be easier, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. The first step is to season the wings, and I'm using a combination of flats and drums. Let me know in the comment section which you prefer. Are you team drum or are you team flats? Or are you like me who likes both sections? Now it's time to season the chicken. I'm adding olive oil and lemon pepper seasoning to the chicken. I'm adding ground ginger, dried paprika, and salt. Now you have to wash the salt just a little bit because sometimes the lemon pepper seasoning can be very salty. Next thing I'm going to do is to press all the air out of the Ziploc bag, close it, and then massage it just to make sure all of the chicken wings get coated with that seasoning. And we're going to leave the chicken right in this bag, stick it into the fridge, and allow it to season for at least 4 hours. And if you're interested in making this recipe, I will have the full recipe linked below in the description box. Next, I'm going to place the chicken wings into a baking pan and just spread it out into one layer. I'm going to place this into an oven that's been preheated at 400 degrees and bake it for around 35 minutes. While the chicken wings bake, we're going to make the glaze. To a pot, I am adding honey. I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon as well as the zest. And I love using this little nifty lemon squeezer. It just makes the job so easy and it extracts a ton of lemon juice. Next, I'm adding garlic powder and black pepper to the honey and lemon mixture. And I'm just going to stir this around. And right about here is where I remembered that I had to add the zest of the lemon. So that's what I'm adding right now using my microplane. And if you don't have one of these, you need to get one. It's really great for jobs just like this. And as you can see, it gets a nice fine grate and leaves all that bitter stuff behind. And I'm just going to whisk this together and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes on high heat. And every now and then I'm going to give it a quick whisk. Keep your eye on it to make sure that it doesn't boil over. I'm going to take the wings out of the oven and then pour the glaze over the wings. I'm also going to take my tongs and just, turn the wings around just to make sure it's nicely coated with all of that glaze. I'm going to crank the oven up to 450 degrees and then place this back into the oven for about 10 minutes until the glaze is thickened and the wings look like this. Let me tell you guys, these wings are the bomb. They're so good. You need to make them ASAP. Thank you guys for joining me. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you guys next time.